All right, this thing just arrived in the mail. In here is an electric bike. I am joining the future. Setting it up was pretty straightforward, pretty easy. It's a beautiful night. We're gonna take it for a ride. The plus and minus give you the modes of pedal assist. You can just mash them 1 through 5. So I don't even have the bike turned on right now, and I'm on a flat road, but the derailleur is adjusted correctly. The hydraulic brakes are adjusted correctly. We'll put it to pedal assist 1. Just give you a little bit of an extra edge, you know, and you can shift through all the gears same as you would normally. I don't know how it works, but it works. But I'm doing this one-handed. It's a very smooth ride. If you want to use the thumb throttle, smash this and we'll take off. But you can even hear it in the motor. If it gets above 18, it kind of just cuts out. That's just how the thing works. So depending on the type of commuting that you want to do, this might be right on the money. I mean, for a fat tire 20-inch bike, it handles really well. It's super, super stable. And just for funsies, we're gonna go ahead and take off from here. I'm gonna do it just on the throttle. We got a slight uphill and we're starting on grass. It's very easy to fall into just the throttle because well, it's so much fun. I remember when I was a little kid and I'd like ride to the top of the hill so that I could try to go real fast downhill and like enjoy the part where I wasn't putting the effort in. You'd put in a bunch of effort to feel like you were riding a motorcycle for like 7 seconds. Here, you just mash that and you know, but it's still fun and silly like a bicycle. Like, I know this is a serious commuting tool if you need it to be, want it to be, and it's cool that it can do that, but there's the part of me that says it's still a toy, and that's not a bad thing. Like, that's the fun balance of it, you know? Can take it on the bike lanes, I can stay off the main roads. I consider it just a totally different creature than a motorcycle, but it's more than a bicycle. It's different than that, you know? I mean, it's just fun. Let's pull over and take a look at it because it's awesome. So overall, this thing is put together extremely well. Like, these welds are all really nice. They're super consistent. This whole contraption, motor, battery, everything weighs about 75 pounds. The brakes work great. They came adjusted right out of the box. The derailleur came adjusted right out of the box. It carries 500 pounds. It has different attachments for the back. The fitment on this was incredible. There is no slop in these bolt holes and everything lined up perfectly. And on top of that, I was putting together like a kid at Christmas. You know, I was all excited about it, but each one of these holes, the hardware was already in it. So like, you just had to take the hardware out of the bolt hole and put it back in. It came with 1 bag of bolts labeled spare. Everything came with Loctite already on it. All the tools to put it together were in a little pouch, was all you needed. And it went together really well and everything fits really tight. There's nothing sloppy or loose about the way this assembles, either from the factory or the parts that you have to put together out of the box. And that's saying a lot. So I'm actually gonna take this out and go get myself some dinner tonight, which normally, like after a day, I think it's really peaceful to go ride my bicycle and go grab a bite or whatever. But I'm usually pretty tired and I don't wanna go spend forever riding my bike somewhere. So, you know, 4 miles out, 4 miles back is usually pretty quick. But that makes my radius essentially 4 miles. I think with this, it can definitely increase it to 6 or 7 each way, get me there relatively quickly and get me back. And yeah, that just opens like the world a bit more. I've got bike lanes around here, which is really great. Sidewalks and stuff like that. You know, it allows me to take my bicycle. I got plenty of cars. I love cars, but you know, I'd much rather do this at the end of my day. I mean, look at it out here. So I got the cargo carrier slash kid carrier installed. It's pretty neat. Comes with little running boards, like foot peg things. And you can jam your toddler or whatever in there. Or for me, I've been riding this thing absolutely everywhere. It's been great weather here, and I just enjoyed it that much. I think I have over 100 miles on it already, like not even kidding you. 108 miles. That's no joke. I just jammed this cardboard box in between here, and I throw this bag in, and I've been taking it to the grocery store like very regularly. There's not much to say about it, except I've been really enjoying it. It's been super reliable. I haven't had any issues. I think I put it through a charging cycle probably every 20 miles. So we're probably at, what, 5 charging cycles or something like that? Yeah, it's just a blast. It is an absolutely gorgeous night. I just finished up work at the ranch, and now I'm taking the bicycle ride to go get some hamburgers and put them right in there. I mean, the cargo edition I think is pretty awesome. I think it has a 500-pound capacity altogether. And yeah, I mean, it's great for grocery runs and all that stuff. And it's so nice out right now. I mean, like, I don't want to be riding in a car, and I've got convertibles, you know what I'm saying? Like, this makes me feel kind of like a kid. It's a little bit of exercise, and like, I got the wind in my face. It's pretty awesome, you know? I really genuinely enjoy riding bicycles as a means of transportation. I mean, just look at it, you know? Like, hop on the back road and take an extra 2 minutes. But I will say that, you know, I think I worked about 10.5 hours today. I don't know that I would have ridden my bicycle, you know? But this bridges the gap between being tired but not too tired, you know what I mean? Make no mistake, this is an expensive piece of equipment, but I will say from my experience, it's pretty high quality. The way everything fits together, the hydraulic brakes, the motor control, everything, the lights, everything works, you know, the way it's supposed to. And this is not just a quick review. Like, we're at, let's see, we're at 110 miles right now. So I really am putting some miles on it, really getting some use out of it, and genuinely enjoying it. So anyway, as always, good luck on your projects out there, and we will see you next time on Between the Sharks.